7 mascaras. Which one am I gonna pick? Hi everyone, Jerry here, the njeri. So my friend, she actually gave me this mascara discovery set by Shoppers Drugmart for my 28th birthday. So thank you to Sin for sponsoring this video. In this set, I'll be trying
the Benefit Cosmetics Fan Fest Fanning and Volumizing Mascara, the Clarins New Mascara Wonder Volume XXL, the Clinique High Impact Mascara, the Lancôme Lash Idôle Mascara Deluxe, the Too Faced Deluxe Better Than Sex Mascara, the is this Watier? Oh my god, I think I'm butchering this name, I'm so sorry. Watier 24-Hour Glam Intense Mascara, and lastly, the YSL Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara.
So if you want to see my reviews on these 7 mascaras, keep on watching. If it's not smudging immediately and I love how it's looking, I think that's basically what I'm going for. I hope I do make the right choice. Here are my eyes without mascara. I will be showing side by side so you can clearly see the difference between my eyes with and without mascara. I'll be using makeup wipes to change in between different mascaras. And to be clear, the way this set works is once I pick the mascara I like, I can exchange a card for a full-size product. It is volumizing and it lengthens. I already own this mascara. Wouldn't even make sense to use my gift card on this mascara, but I don't even use the one I own because you turn into a panda. This thing smudges like tomorrow. That was my experience and I was very disappointed when it smudged that much. But let's say you just need to look good for a picture. If that's all you need to look good for a picture, then this is a pretty nice mascara. So I strangely do like this one quite a bit. On initial application, it looked very thin. And this one you had to like keep on going, but this one literally looks like you have a lot of hair, lots of lashes. And I think that's so cute. It adds volume, but it's not clumpy. You know what? I see the hype. This is so pretty. Oh my. Like this is black. Like the rest of them are black. This one is called what? Glossy black. This looks like it's a fake eyelash. Okay, let me finish this. Wow. Oh my god. The way the brush is designed, you can really get underneath the bottom of the lash. So this is the Lancôme. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. It's very pretty. It's so pretty! It's so pretty! Wow. Okay, so the application was like chef's kiss. But this one I think is really pretty. So this is like similar to the Clarins where you need to just like build it up quite a bit. Like upon initial application, it doesn't like wow. But if you keep going, it looks pretty nice. So this builds on top. It builds up pretty nicely. So this one is pretty cute as well. It definitely gives volume. And it also lengthens quite a bit because like this tends to look sparse. Similar to the Clarins, they both have like a fluffy look to it in the end. So both are a vibe if you want the fluffy lash vibe. I don't think it's that the Lancôme necessarily looks better than these ones so far. I think it's just upon initial application, the Lancôme just blew them out of the water. I think my eyes need a break. This is a lot. This is a lot. It's not clumping. So if you don't want a clumping look, this mascara does not clump at all. Lengthening, volumizing, not clumping. It's pretty good to me. So for this one, it's not bad. It looks nice. Like if you already have it, it's gonna do its job. And be a nice mascara. Is it as nice as the others though? No, unfortunately no, not for me. in my opinion. If you want a lighter look where the lashes are lengthened and it's kind of volumized, then you can get this one. I even like these two more than the Clinique, personally. Ooh. Ooh. That is nice. This is also really nice. From what I can remember right now, this is the most lengthening one I have seen. Now, it is definitely volumizing, 100%, without a doubt. I don't even know if the Lancôme is like that, but this is super nice. It's lengthening, it's volumizing, it's extra lengthening, like it's extra like couple inches, you know. It has more length to me than couple of the other ones. Definitely reminds me of the Too Faced one. This very nice, it's lengthening. You can still see it from a distance. Like my eyes are kind of tiny, so you're not gonna see much from a distance. And I don't wear falsies, so that's why I really want a nice mascara, since I don't wear falsies on my eyes. The lashes look volumized, but they're not lengthening for me. Or just in general, not just, they're just not lengthening. Yeah, I wouldn't spend money. Like for me, I do want volumizing and lengthening. Ideally, nothing too crazy. Like this is cute, this is classy. It's classy cute. It's like the, what's it called? Is it demi-wispies? I don't know much about lashes, but yeah, they're cute. I'm not saying no, but I'm not saying yes. That is the end of that. Oh my god, my eyes are just ready to sleep now. But that was fun. So basically, after trying all 7, my personal winner is the Lancôme Teinte Idôle. Yay! But do not get it wrong. It doesn't mean that the other mascaras are bad, and if you want to get them, you can get them. I feel like they're all good for different reasons. Personally, the reason I chose a Lancôme, I think definitely the selling point was the black glossy finish. The rest of them did not have that kind of finish. This just looked amazing upon application. The design of the wand really helps you to get underneath the lash, lift it, give it a nice length and curl, so it really helped with lengthening and volumizing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Do you own any of these mascaras? Is there one that you want to try? Is there one that you liked? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't. If you like more videos on makeup, beauty, self-care, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. That's basically it. Thank you again for watching, and remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah!